Hello, sixth graders. This week we're going to learn mean, median, mode, and range. So you've already been looking at the slideshow, kind of learning a little bit about each one. So now I'm going to show you a couple other examples. Okay, you've actually done some of this before. So here we go. You actually do this whenever you average grades. Okay, so you add up all your scores. So say these were scores on science tests for each chapter. So to find the mean, and the mean is just the average, you add up all the scores. So we would add 98 plus 89 plus 76 plus 93 plus 89. And I don't know if you saw my note or not, but you actually get to use a calculator for this lesson. I think this is a great lesson for us to do that with. It's very practical because that's kind of what you would do in real life, okay, with this to find the average. So you're going to do 98 plus, and you can use a phone calculator, 89 plus 76 plus 93 plus 89, and that total is 445. So then I'm going to write 445. Then I take that total and divide by how many numbers I had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I'm going to hit divided by 5, and it gives me 89. Okay, if it gave you a decimal answer, then you would just write the decimal. If it gave you a long decimal, just round it to the nearest tenth. Okay, but on this one, it gave me a nice friendly number. 89 would be my mean. Okay, median is where we take all the things and we put them in order from least to greatest, because median means the middle number. So 76 plus, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put 76 comma, then 89, there's two of those, so you write them both down. And then 93 is next, and then 98. So which one is in the middle? Here's 2 here, 2 here. In the exact middle would be 89. I'll show you what to do in a minute if you have two numbers in the middle. Okay, so 89. So these just so happen to be the same answer, and sometimes that happens. Mode, the M-O in mode, you can think of it as standing for most often. So mode is which numbers repeated most often, 89. And the range is subtract the highest number minus the lowest number. So 98 minus 76 would be 22. In other words, what is the range in your data? Your scores go from 98 all the way down to 76. So the range is 22. All right, now sometimes you might have to do one with the graph like this. So what you're going to do is write down what the centimeters of rainfall are that you can read from the chart. So this one would be 10, this one would be 6, this is in the middle of 4 and 6, so it's 5, and this is in the middle of 6 and 8, so it's 7. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in order from least to greatest. 5, 6, 7, and 10. So now I am ready to do whatever I need to do with it. So I can add up. So let me clear this up, and you can do this in your head too. Let's see. There we go. I have my daughter's calculator. I haven't used it in a while. Okay, so 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10, and we get 28. So that's 28 divided by 4, and what is that? 7, okay? The middle number would be the halfway number between these two that are in the middle. So if 2 are in the middle, you basically find what's halfway between those. So what's halfway between 6 and 7? It's going to be 6.5. But if you didn't know that, all you'd have to do is do the mean or the average of these two by doing 6 plus 7 and getting 13 and dividing that by these two numbers, and you get 6.5. Okay? The mode is the most often. Is there anything that is most often here? Nope. So there's none. So that's what you would write, none. And the range is the highest minus the lowest. So that would be 10 minus 5. The range is 5. Okay? I'm going to show you one more. It would be like a bar graph like this. So these are the number of candy bars sold by each child. So one bar means equals one candy bar. Okay, so this child had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I hope I didn't mess that up, but it's okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So 9, 10, 12, and 13. All right, so then what you're going to do, and I want you to do this one with me, we're going to find the mean first, which is the average, okay? All right, so we're going to do 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13. Okay, we can do this in our head. What's 12 plus 13? It's 25. And plus 10 more is 35. Plus 9 more, if it would have been 10, it would have been 45. So it's 44. So 44 divided by 4 numbers. I love it when division's easy like this. It's 11. So our mean is 11. Our median, what is our middle number? Was there one exactly in the middle? Nope. But what would be halfway between 10 and 12? 11. And then the mode is the most often. Is there anything that was repeated? Nope. So we'll put none. So you're not always going to have a mode. And the range is the highest minus the lowest. So the highest was 13 minus the lowest is 9. So the range is 4. So kids usually love this because they catch on pretty quickly and they get to use a calculator. So I hope you enjoy doing this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.